Hey everybody, Nick Espinoza, your chief security fanatic here, and don't forget to subscribe. But today, let's try and dim the sun, or at least sunlight. What could go wrong? And that's literally what's happening here. I swear I'm the only person that's seen Highlander 2, which was an utterly terrible movie, but they kind of addressed this decades ago. So here's what's going on, and Daniel Sims of TechSpot had a pretty good write-up on this, and we're going to be heading over to the UK because their Advanced Research and Invention Agency, or ARIA, will soon announce experiments to test the theory that altering the Earth's cloud can help counteract the effects of climate change. Now, the government agency states that it is studying geoengineering with extreme caution, but many consider the field a dangerous distraction amid the fight against global warming. In other words, we're not fixing anything, we're just adjusting clouds to reduce sunlight, which helps, but here we are. So, ARIA is going to devote £50 million, aka about $65.5 million US, to funding various small-scale outdoor experiments to explore the effects of spreading aerosols into clouds. Now, over the last few decades, numerous proposals have theorized that aerosols might brighten clouds, causing them to reflect more sunlight and then cool the planet. The agency will disclose details on the experiments in the coming weeks, including specific dates and durations for outdoor tests. ARIA will also ensure that any effects are reversible and will not release toxic substance. So that's a good thing. If the experiments are successful, experts estimate it could be implemented on a larger scale within a decade. And on top of this, ARIA plans to fund indoor experiments, new climate modeling studies, monitoring initiatives, and studies to measure public opinion regarding geoengineering. Opponents fear artificially altering atmosphere may cause unintended side effects, potentially impacting rainfall and agriculture. Those are both valid concerns here, although I am not a climatologist, nor am I an expert at this. However, advocates argue that experiments are necessary, or at least a gauge to the potential outcomes, and basically move the discussion surrounding geoengineering beyond just the theories of all of this. So we're going to see what happens here. I think it's interesting, but I don't know, kind of reminds me of Highlander 2 or The Simpsons, where Monty Burns basically blocks out the sun, so he can sell more nuclear power to the town. I don't know where this is going to go. I know we should be doing something about it, and maybe this will help. We'll see. I guess I'm waiting like the rest of you. And please like, share, follow me here on Facebook and Twitter at NickAESP. And please feel free to subscribe to me at YouTube as well. Also, Mastodon and Blue Sky. And as always, stay safe, stay online, and please attempt to stay private, secure, and informed. Take care.